Good morning,
Morning,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay, good morning. Good morning. Yes. Now all of you just pay attention in that stance. That is yesterday only. First tell me, is the board visible properly?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now all of you, yes, all of you just listen very carefully to me. First we'll be discussing a small topic and then later I'll be talking to you regarding different doubts that you have. Okay? So don't worry about that. Fine. Now, that yesterday we talked about the vibration of the particles. Okay? That produces sound. Now we got to know that the reason behind the production of sound is actually the vibration of the particles. That is what Kartik, you also can now, what happens is, this is the reason or this is the logic behind the production of the sound. This is what we are aware. Now what we need to know, what we need to understand are different terms which are related to the vibrational motion of an object or of a particle. Now all of you just listen very very carefully and understand it with the diagram that I am telling you. Now you all have seen a spring. बच्चे खेलते रहते हैं कभी कभी रिफिल में भी पड़ी होती है स्प्रिंग व्हाट डू यू डू विद द स्प्रिंग यू स्ट्रेच इट एंड यू पुट इट बैक सो स्प्रिंग इज समथिंग दैट stretches and it goes back to the original position just like a rubber band yes or no
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes,
this
ma'am.
is a this is a support and with the support there is a spring which is attached yeah so clear no problem
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
this spring
Mm-hmm.
to this a ball is attached. This is the ball which is attached to the spring. It can be any other object, but because in your book ball is given, so I'm explaining it to you with the help of that so that it is easy for you to understand. Any object can be taken. Now you have attached the ball. Now when you are going to pull it down, imagine practically. जब आपने इसको खींचा, so it is going to jump up on back. This type of motion can be seen. Yes or no? Quickly tell me.
Yes, ma'am.
Up and down motion will be observed. Anika, your speaker is on. Yes. So up and down motion can be observed. Now, it will be in this direction, next, and this direction. This is the original position. This is the original position. So it will go up, it will come down, it will go up, it will come down. Is this much clear to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Any confusion? Any problem?
No, ma'am.
No,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am.
No.
Now, just listen. Now what happens, children? The position where it was actually present, where it is actually present, that is called the mean position. Mean position. This we discussed yesterday, now we are going to discuss it so that we get to know some different terms. So this is the mean position and along the mean position, the distance that it is covering on either side, this side and this side, both the side, the distance that it is covering and the maximum distance that it has traveled. Again, let's go back to that ruler. The maximum distance that it has covered in front at Imad Khan. Yes. So this is called the extreme. Now it depends. It could have it depends on the force with which you have pulled it down. वो और ऊपर भी जा सकता था. It depends on the force. Like the case of swing. जितनी तेजी से हम उसको force देंगे, it will go. जैसे कि कोई पीछे से आपको धक्का देता है. So you can enjoy. आप और ऊपर तक जाते हैं और तेज और ऊपर गए. The same way, the maximum distance can increase or decrease depending upon the force that is applied. Now, so this is these two are the extreme positions. Then इससे ज़्यादा आगे नहीं जाएगा. So this is the extreme position. Fine. This much is clear to everyone. Mean position and the extreme positions.
Yes, ma'am.
Now
Ma'am,
a
what
new
is the?
word.
I'm not able to understand the extreme position. Right.
एक्सट्रीम मीन्स सी एक्सट्रीम का क्या मतलब होता है, जितना ज्यादा से ज्यादा हो सकता है. When you are sitting on a swing and the extreme that you can travel, that is the extreme position. Okay, so here also the extreme that it can travel on both the side, that is the extreme position. Prakar, is it okay now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now the maximum distance that it has traveled, that is called the amplitude. Amplitude. Now turn the page and come to page number 158, all of you quickly. Just see the maximum distance moved by a particle, and like in your book right now, the ball is given. So example, ball from the mean or the center position in a vibrational motion is called the amplitude. Any problem?
Ma'am, I'm not able to understand amplitude.
The maximum distance that it has traveled, maximum distance that it has traveled is called the amplitude. Now look in the diagram. In the diagram, it is given in the form of a wave, up and down this way. So can you see the maximum displacement, maximum distance that it has traveled in the diagram? Ball ki original position, it is shown with the red color, proper line, and the extreme positions are shown with the help of dotted lines on both the sides, up and down. Can you see?
Yes, ma'am.
So, yes. So to move up and down one time, that is the amplitude. Now, the time taken to complete one vibration or one oscillation, like in case when we are talking about the swing, that is an oscillation. In case of a pendulum, the pendulum of a clock, it goes like this. Have you seen the pendulum of a clock? Tap, 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 tap. Yes. So in
Yes,
that
ma'am.
case, it is called the oscillation, and when it is a particle, we call it as the vibration. So to complete one oscillation or one vibration, that is called the time period. The time taken to complete one oscillation or one vibration, we call it as time period. These things are important for you to understand. Now, just look into your books carefully. Just see the time period is given with the help of a red arrow, it is indicated. Yes, it goes up and it comes down. That makes one oscillation. Now again, झूले से फिर से समझिए. One oscillation. Mean position, going in front, again coming to the mean position and going back and coming to the mean position. This completes one oscillation. फिर से going in front, mean position के होते हुए पीछे गए and coming back to the mean position, that completes one oscillation. So here you can see, if we talk about the vibration, going up through the mean position, coming down, and again coming back to the mean position, that completes one vibration. And the time taken in doing all this is called the time period. Now tell me who has still not understood.
Ma'am, excuse me, ma'am.
Yes,
I
yes,
have
I'm listening.
not understood the difference between amplitude and extreme position.
Mean position and extreme position.
So, ma'am, the difference between ma'am, amplitude and extreme position. Please make it
Okay. Now listen
ma'am,
again.
Ma'am,
difference
difference
between it.
between.
Beta, listen. Extreme positions are two. I am standing. I can go till this distance only. This is my extreme position. Mean position. Extreme position, mean position. Now, when we talk about the amplitude, now listen again. Observe carefully. Extreme position तक जाके right side, coming this, इस side जाके coming back. This is amplitude. The maximum distance covered in the given time, that is the amplitude. Now is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, and the time taken to complete one oscillation or one vibration, that is the time period. Like you have your 1 period, 2 period, second period, third period, the same way, the time taken, that is the time. I hope this much is clear to everyone, amplitude and time period. Now, all of you just look into the activity. There's an activity, a glass is taken, and on that glass a rubber membrane is there. Rubber membrane, simply a balloon you can take. Okay, you stretch it on the glass and just tie a rubber band so that it is not loose, it is tight. Not very tight, but tight. And then try to put some, like in that activity you can see some rice grains on it. It can be some other grains also, but rice will be easier to get. So just put some rice grain, and now just do one thing. Take the spoon or any other object and try to strike that membrane. What is going to happen? The rice, they start moving. Why it happens? Because of the effect of the vibration. Sound is produced and the motion is produced. So there you can see the vibration actually happening. So just with the help of a pencil, just write down, read, and revise this activity. Just write down read and revise. Read and revise this activity. So you just go through it. Okay. Done, children? Now, just listen all of you very carefully to me. First, about the copies. Do not panic. If there is a severe problem, genuine problem, you can take your time and you can give it on the next term. But only in the genuine cases. Not all of you, first thing. ऐसा नहीं कुछ अचानक से कह दिया गया कुछ भी हो जाए और बस हमें कॉपी देनी है. It's not like that. Please try to understand. Checking of the copies is important. Since it has been instructed by the principal, your copies will be checked. But at the same time, those who are new admissions or there is some problem in your family or something like that, but for that a proper message should be dropped in the group so that I am aware that you have not submitted the copy because of this and this reason. And I am going to confirm it also. Jhoot wala nahi. Okay. Now coming to the next point, that is your question answers. So just see. Yes, come to page number 146, all of you. There is some confusion regarding the question answers. Please see. The first question I told you, the first question, that is the difference between magnetic and gravitation. This I'll be providing you. Since there were tests, it was left, so just leave that. But the second one, discuss various properties of liquid pressure with suitable illustration and diagram. Okay, for this the answer is, children, because it was like it is in pieces, so that is why you will do it from book. We have done it. Just see page number 142. 142, can you see? Let's try this activity 1. Then
Yes,
second
ma'am.
activity
Yes,
and
ma'am.
third activity on page number 143. These 3 activities together make your answer. Okay, and the diagrams also. Okay, so you need not write it in the copy, just mark it. And but it doesn't mean that you are not going to learn it. कि मैम ने नहीं कराया, ऐसा नहीं है. Okay. And when it is like, if supposing this type of questions is asked in the exam, you will simply write the properties. The first property, that the liquid exerts same pressure in all directions at a given depth. So this diagram and its explanation. Second point, the pressure, liquid pressure varies with depth. Then you will draw this diagram and you will write about its explanation. Third, you will write liquid exerts. No, not this one. Just leave it. Sorry, children, not the third. This is about the atmospheric pressure. The first and the second activity. Okay, the first and the second activity. Now, next we talk about the third one. What impact does the decrease in atmospheric pressure at high altitude have in our life? Explain with 3 examples. Now just come to page number 143. Can you see the second paragraph under the heading variation of atmospheric pressure with height? Second paragraph. Now, the third last line, the decrease in atmospheric pressure at high altitude has many impact on our life as discussed below. Again, you are not going to write this. You are not going to write this in the copies. You'll study it from the book itself. The first point, mountaineers. Second point, astronauts. Please tick it, put a tick on it. And the third point, people are not advised. Okay, so there you can write L3. L3 means long answer, third one. L3. All the points, just write L3, L3, L3 so that you remember L3 is this. And the same way, the two activities which are given on 142 and 143, write L2. L2. So now you know about both of them.
Yes,
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Fine. Now, in the copies, the first time when you will submit, I'll only be checking your first lesson, that is force and pressure. So just see that your work is complete till lesson number 11, that is force and pressure. Now, coming to the next point, that is book. You do not need to send your books. Books you will keep with yourself. Okay. One more important thing, before sending your copies to the school for correction, you have to make a PDF of it and you have to keep safe with yourself. Okay. Just click the pics of it and make a PDF and write this physics lesson 1 and just keep it with you. So that is safe. The material is there with you. Okay. Is this clear to everyone now?
yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Any other confusion? Rest
No,
about the
No,
timing,
ma'am.
when
Excuse me,
you
ma'am.
have to submit that, I will inform through the WhatsApp. So don't worry about that. When you will
Ma'am,
give
I have a problem.
that, I will. Yes.
Sir, first chapter.
Again, I'm not able to hear. Iram, I think there's some problem from your side. Repeat, beta.
Ma'am, I have a problem in the question answers of chapter.
I'm not able to hear. Only ma'am I can hear. Iram, you can post your problem. Okay, you can send the message. Now, one more thing. Now, when we talk about the friction, just check all of you. Since we are right now doing this, just check that you have done the exercises in the book. Page number 153, 154. All of you, please check the books. This should be done. And I have also sent short question answers 30 word of lesson number 12, that is friction. But I will not be checking it. I will only be checking lesson number 11. But make sure that this is there with you. If it is not there, just ask your friends or you can send me the message. I'll again send the question answers. That's not an issue. I hope now it is clear. If there is any other problem, okay, if there's any other problem in case, you can send me on WhatsApp. It is clear, the group is open, you can send the problem on the WhatsApp. I'll just I'll just go through it and I'll answer. Do not panic, please. Everything is there for betterment. It's not to make you uncomfortable and to make us uncomfortable. It's not like that. Please understand. Okay? एकदम परेशान हो गए क्या करेंगे नहीं. It's not like that. If there's any problem, the group is there. You can inform about your problem. And once the information is given that if there's any problem, they can give on the next turn, then I think there should be no repeated message, ma'am, I have this problem, I have this problem. Only for information you can give, and that too in one message. That, ma'am, I am so and so, I am new admission or whatever is the problem. I'll send my copy on this. Is this clear to everyone now? In case
Yes.
of any other
Yes,
problem,
ma'am.
okay, in case of any other problem, you can post it on the WhatsApp group. I'll reply as and when I'm free. Okay, children? So this is how we have come to the end of the class. Please revise amplitude and time period. If there is any problem, please inform me because this is something very important that should be understood by you. There is no option to it. You have to understand it. If you've not understood, inform me. I'll explain it to you again. Fine? So till we meet again, take care of yourselves. Bye-bye.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Have a nice day.
Thank you, ma'am.